Right, so today I'll be showing you how to use your DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. This is an action camera, and I'll be showing you how to use it as a webcam on your Windows computer. Now, this is very simple. First, turn on the camera. The next thing you want to do is connect the camera to your computer via a USB cable. Now, if your computer has a Type-C port, then good for you. You can just connect the Type-C to Type-C cable that comes in the box of your camera. Or you can find any Type-C to Type-C cable. Or if you have an older computer that does not have a Type-C port and only has the traditional Type-A ports, then you can connect a Type-C to Type-A cable from the camera to your computer. All right. Now, as soon as you connect, you're going to have to choose what you want to do with the camera. Okay. So you connect, and quickly there's going to be a quick menu on the screen, and you want to quickly choose use as webcam. Okay. So let me show you how that works. So I have the other end of this cable connected to a USB port on this computer. And now on the camera, what you need to do is simply slide the Type-C door open. All right, so there's a little door here next to the power button, or right below the power button. And under that is a USB-C port. So as soon as you connect the cable into the Type-C port, like that, you see three options. So quickly choose webcam, and it's going to say it's preparing the webcam. And now you can see it says webcam there at 1080p 30 frames per second. All right, so now the camera is configured as a webcam for this computer. Now I'm just going to place it here. Now you want to find a way of placing it high, little higher up, or on the side using a tripod or whatever it is, or you can place it on a book. I'm just going to place mine right here. Okay, now I'm going to launch any app that uses the webcam. So this Windows 11 computer has a default camera app. And there you go. So you can see the default camera right now is this Fifine, my default webcam. So let me see if I can find a way of switching the camera. Change camera. There you go. And now I've changed to this camera right here, as you can see. And now you can see my DJI Action 5 Pro is my webcam. All right. There's a computer. That's me. And so you can place it, you can place this anywhere and enjoy the faster, or rather the more higher quality camera as a webcam. So you can use this for gaming and do whatever you need to do. All right. So that is basically how to connect your DJI Action 5 Pro, this action camera, and use it as a webcam for your Windows computer. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.